3. AKASO Brave 4. Do you need a super affordable action camera that delivers top-notch performance without breaking the bank? Look no further than the AKASO Brave 4. This little powerhouse is perfect for capturing every exhilarating moment of your adventures with its impressive 4K resolution at 30 frames per second and 20 megapixel photos. Whether you're surfing, mountain biking, or exploring underwater, the Brave 4 has you covered with crystal-clear visuals and vivid details. Equipped with a versatile 170-degree adjustable view angle, this camera ensures you capture wide shots or zoomed-in details with equal finesse. Its smart gyroscope and image stabilization technology keep your footage smooth and steady, even when you're on the move. Plus, with built-in Wi-Fi, sharing and editing your action-packed videos is a breeze. Simply connect the Brave 4 to your smartphone or tablet, and you're ready to go. Diving enthusiasts will love its robust waterproof design, allowing you to submerge up to 131 feet and capture stunning underwater footage. The dual screens, a 2-inch rear and 0.96-inch front, ensure you frame your shots perfectly every time. With a bundle of accessories, including a dual charger and 2 batteries for extended shooting, the AKASO Brave 4 is an excellent choice for anyone looking to document their adventures affordably and effectively.